In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can build a complete project using Google AI Studio and then deploy it completely for free using Vercel. So I'll show you everything step by step from the very beginning. First of all, here you can see currently I am in Google AI Studio. Here you can see. So I am already logged in, and once you logged in, you will see interface like this. So here we're going to just give a simple prompt in this description box. So I'll just give this prompt, so you can just give your own prompt. And here you can see we have a build button here. So I'm going to click on build, and right now Google AI Studio will read our prompt, and based on our prompt it will start building a website for you. So right now all you need to do is that we need to wait until Google AI Studio complete the website. So here you can see our website creation is complete. So right now what we need to do is that we need to upload this project to the GitHub, and that is really simple. So for it, here you can see we have a share option. So we need to click on share. Then we are going to click on this arrow icon, and we need to find GitHub, and here you can see GitHub. So we need to click on this, and there you can see my Google AI Studio is connected with GitHub. So here I'm going to choose the public option, and here we need to give repository a name. Let's say here real estate agent. We're just going to give this name, and we also need to give a description. Let's say description will be same, real estate agent. After that, in the down you will see this option create GitHub repository. So I'm going to click here, and it will create a repository in the GitHub. So let me just go to the GitHub. So I'll just go to github.com, and here I'm going to give my repository name. And here you can see AI Studio created repository over here, real estate agent. There you can see. So this repository is empty, and here we, in order to upload all the files and folder from this project to the GitHub, we need to click here stage and commit all changes. So I'm going to click here, and it will upload all the files and folder to the GitHub, and it will take a few seconds, and it's done. So right now if I just go to my GitHub repository and refresh here, there you can see we have some folder and file over here. Right now what we need to do is that we need to open another tab, and we're going to search over here vercel.com and press enter. So here we're going to sign up or log in. So I'm going to click here login. Since I already have an account, so I'm going to click on continue with Google. I'll choose my email address, click here continue, and there you can see currently I am in the Vercel dashboard. And here you can see we have multiple options, deploy your project. So we have our project in the GitHub, right? So here you can see import project. So I'm going to click on import, and here we need to connect our GitHub to Vercel. So for it, I'm going to click here continue with GitHub. So I'm going to click here authorize, and there you can see it is now showing us install option, GitHub install option. So we need to click on install, and here we need to choose our GitHub account. So I'll click here, then I'll give permission to all repositories, then click here install. So it will require you to verify via email address. So I'll click here verify via email. So I got this code in my email, so I'm going to click here verify, and there you can see it's done. So here you can see real estate agent. This is the repository that we just recently created. So right now I'm going to directly click here import. Then we need to give our project a name. Let's say the name will be real estate agent. That's fine. So here you'll see bunch of options. So you don't have to do anything unless you have environment variable in your project. So I'm just directly going to click here deploy. There you can see deploying, and it's done. So I'm just going to click here continue to dashboard, and there you go, it's done. And here you can see it's also give us a domain name over here. So if I just click on this arrow icon, it will open in another tab, and we're able to see our website over here. There you can see. So if you just made any changes in the Google AI Studio and upload it to GitHub, the update will be automatically updated in Vercel as well. So yeah, this is how you can create a project using AI and then host it completely for free using Vercel. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.